Hi everyone, I'm Susan and I'm going to do our first Tuesday shelf talk session. So these will be little short sessions where some of the library staff will talk about a book that they've read recently and why they liked it and why you might like to read it too. So the book that I read is called The Many Lives of Katherine North by Emma Geen. This is the physical copy. I actually listened to mine on the BorrowBox app. It was an e-audio book and it was read by Katie Sobey and it was really good, so you might like that as well. So this is Emma Geen's first debut novel. It's set in the UK in the near future and it follows the life of a 19-year-old called Katherine North, or Kit as she's more commonly known. And she undertakes work as a phenomenaut, which is a new branch of science where you can project your consciousness into another animal and basically live life as that animal. It's used for research sort of purposes, but then possibly going into other things as well. I really enjoyed in the book the insights about how it is to be another creature, so how it feels to be an octopus with 8 semi-autonomous arms, or to be a spider with the 8 different eyes and different ways of experiencing the world. So I really thought that the experiences of being these different sorts of animals was the best part of the story. So I really like that world building kind of thing, and that was my favourite part. That slow unfolding of how the technology works and the different parts of it, and also Kit's reasons for being a phenomenaut, I thought were really interesting as well. So yeah, I liked the sort of philosophical discussions around the nature of self and consciousness and the ethics involved in making use of animals for these purposes, and I thought that was really thought-provoking and interesting. The actual action of the story in terms of what happened and the resolutions and so on perhaps wasn't quite as strong, and the second half, the pacing was perhaps a little off, but overall it was a very satisfying and enjoying story. So I'd suggest this book for someone who enjoys science fiction with a philosophical bent, and also those who are interested in the natural world and lives of animals and those sorts of things. So yes, The Many Lives of Katherine North by Emma Geen. It's available now. Thank you for watching our first Tuesday Shelf Talk, and we'll see you next week. Bye.